In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to use the Insights tool on the dashboard view of MARACOOS OceansMap. So the Insights tool lives under this icon on the left-hand toolbar. If I click on this, you can see we have these two options that the user can choose. What these are pre-made dashboard views using the permalink tool, where the user can click on one of these and it will create this dashboard for them. The user can either look at the data that's populated here and use that, or if they'd like to customize their own dashboard using this theme that's been pre-made, they can do that. So by default, the dashboard is locked, meaning the user can't move or delete or edit any of these widgets. But if we unlock the dashboard, you can see these three buttons appear at the bottom right of each of the widgets. So if the user doesn't care about water level, they can go ahead and delete that widget. If they want to delete this widget and move the wind distribution rows over here, they can do that. They can scale this widget. If they'd like to edit this specific widget, they can go ahead and click the edit button here. And this opens the edit widget pane on the left. They can edit the parameters, the specific settings for that widget, the location, or something simple like the title. So I can go ahead and save this widget. The user would like to create a new widget using one that's already made. They can go ahead and hit that edit button, and that will again open this pane. And if they'd like to keep the original but save as a new widget, they can hit this add as new widget button. And what that will do is it will create a second wind rose on our dashboard here at the bottom left. And then they can go ahead and move this around and edit as needed.